Hi guys, how you doing? It's your girl Tina. I am back again with something nice and excited to share with you guys today. So, if you are looking for a face cream that will get rid of every blemishes you have on your face, any sunburn, dark spot, this is the video for you. Please, I need you to grab a seat, come closer, and let's have a little chit chat. So, today I want to introduce you guys to this wonderful product that will take care of all your problems, okay? This one bottle, it will take all your problems away. So let me not talk too much and just show you guys a face cream already. Now this face cream is called Marks Thailand Gluta Terminal White Strong Whitening Face Cream. These people will not kill me. Sorry, let me take rid of my headphones. Okay, so like the name said, it will clear every mark on your face, any dark spot, pigmentation, any let me see, any sunburn, wrinkles, marks, dark spots. Hold on, I need to put on my glasses. Okay, now I can see much better, right guys? It says apply morning and evening on a clear skin, gently massage until completely absorb. For you to get a perfect and quick result, apply twice daily. We care about your skin. Now, the ingredients on this product is carrot oil. It has Liquorice. It has aloe vera, it has alpha arbutin, it has vitamin C, it has glycolic, it has vitamin A, and it has ginseng. So it will help, like I said earlier, get rid of it works on anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, anti-stretch mark, anti-pimples, dark spots, and also acne scar, anti-blemishes, anti-eczema, anti-sunburn spots, rashes, dark freckles, and leave your skin flawless. As in, it will leave your skin flawless. So now this face cream, you're supposed to use it twice daily, okay? Morning and night on a clean skin after washing your face with any of this product that I'm about to talk about right here. This one, if you want a whitening, okay, face, I want you to pair with this one. This is a glutathione, and we all know glutathione is strictly for whitening. This is for glutathione, or you already have a color like mine. Your color is already beautiful like mine. Go ahead and use this. Or you are caramel skin, you want to upgrade your color a bit, should I say, you want to enhance it a little bit, want to make your color a little better than it is, right? Your current color. Guys, please, I don't even know what I'm saying. Like, just go ahead and get this. This is glutathione soap. The next soap I have here is the Liquorice soap. This soap is very good for people who are caramel skin. Very, very good. And this one is Kojic. This is the Kojic soap. We all know about Kojic. Kojic target mostly dark spots. If you have any dark spots on your skin, Kojic will target it. It will target your dark elbow, you target your dark feet, dark inner thigh, anywhere that you have anything on your body that is dark, any area on your body that is dark. Guys, I can't talk today. What's going on with me? Anywhere in your body that is dark, this will help in getting rid of it. It targets those areas that you have those dark spots, okay? Paired with this soap, trust me when I tell you, you guys know I always come here to tell you guys the truth. I won't come here and tell you something that doesn't work. So go ahead and get this. if you want your face to be like mine, spotless. See, there's no makeup on my face, so sure you'll see me. See, nothing. No makeup on my face. This is me. This is my face. Oh, see, I squeeze over. Nice. It's getting red. My skin is, I have a very delicate skin. Like any small thing, I get red. I get, if you squeeze my hand and squeeze it too tight, I get bruise. That is my skin. My skin is very, very sensitive. So I'm always very careful on things that I use on my face or on my body. So that's why when I sit here to give review about something, that means I have tried it or I have sold it to some other customers who have tried it and come back and give me result. I don't know why my customers don't they don't like write their what do you call it, reviews and send them to me. They'll just call me on the phone and say, oh Tina, this product you gave me really works really well, you are amazing, I love it. Or sometimes I see the way they come back and buy more, because if you buy something once, you use it, it was not good, I don't think you go back and buy again. But people come back and buy things that work for them. Or another way I know things are working is when I sell a product to a customer and they refer other people to me. So I get more referrals than I even do, people send reviews in. Most people send referrals to me. That means whatever I'm doing it right. And I'm so grateful for all my customers who introduce other people to me. So that's why I'm sitting here again in my couch explaining to you guys about this face cream. I haven't seen anybody talking about this face cream on the streets of YouTube or the street of TikTok or whatever. This face cream is really, really good. Trust me when I tell you, you will love this face cream. Let me put it right here. I know you're going to take a screenshot of it. Those of you who don't like to buy from me, you go and, show your vendor to see if they have it. But trust me, anywhere you see this face cream, I encourage you to buy it. Come back and thank me. Pair with any of these soaps that I introduced to you just now, the Kojic, the Liquor, and then the glutathione soap. Pair with any of them or any other soap, face soap that you like, that you have used before. Just pair with it, okay? Use it, you will like it. That's all. It's a very short video. It's not long. I'm trying to make my videos not too long because people get bored along the way. Some people will complain, oh, you're talking too much. But I need time to explain to you guys what exactly I'm talking about. So if you want to get rid of dark spots, okay, sunburn, hyperpigmentation, blemishes, what else is there? I mentioned a whole bunch, okay? Anti-aging, anti-stretch mark, the list goes on. I can sit here and talk all day. Just go and buy this face cream. That's all. Buy this face cream, use it twice a day. Make sure you're using a sunscreen before you step out of the house, please, so you don't end up damaging your skin. Make sure you use sunscreen. Very, very important. All right. What else again do I want to say? I think that's it. It's a very short video, like I said. So if you have not liked, share, subscribe, I want you to do so, please. Please, please, I'm begging you, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. So whenever I upload a video, you won't get to miss any of my videos. I promise you. Like, share, comment, people, and share this video. That way, YouTube will recommend it to other people also. All right, we need the views, we need the subscribers. Please, I am begging you guys, please, please, please. All right, that's it. That's it. That's it for today. I'll see you guys next week. All right, thank you. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Mwah.